Your next car could be the 2026 Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 delivers gritty towing capability, passenger-focused comfort and safety features, and surprising fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, fog lamps, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, remote engine start. Relax and enjoy getting the job done right in the strong and dependable Ram 1500. Come in for a test drive.